Hello friends, today in this video tutorial session, I will show you how you can install the Claude Code on your Mac operating system. Let's begin. First of all, open your favorite browser and type Claude Code documentation, and now you will see this link open in new tab, and you will reach here on this official download page. Other details as well available. We have a different variant for the Claude Code, the terminal one, VS Code, desktop app, web, and for the JetBrains. So here we are going to choose the terminal installer. Okay, so at this place, the command is given for the Mac operating system. We have to copy this command. So just click on this button to copy. Let's minimize this window. Now I will go to the Spotlight search and I will type here terminal and I will open this terminal. Now on the terminal, you have to paste the copied command and then press enter. Okay, now with the help of this command, that installer will be fetched from the website, Claude Code website, and it will be downloaded on the system and the installation will begin soon. See this? The setting up message is appeared. Now the installation is in progress. Okay, quickly you will see a message, Claude Code successfully installed. Also, you can see the version number here. Come to the next. So here a message is given like the native installation exists, but the path is not set to the environment variable. So installation process suggested us to run this command. So I will copy this command and I will run it on the terminal. This command will add the path of the Claude code in the environment variable and it will refresh the environment variable to load it. Now you can work on it. Let's run the Claude. We will simply type the command Claude and press enter. Soon you will be inside the Claude Code interface. Here it is asking to choose the style like dark mode, light mode, whatever you want, please select and press enter to move forward. Now at the next here, this is asking like which AI model provider you want to select. If you have a Claude account, you can go with the subscription. If you don't have, if you have Anthropic console account, you can simply log in with. And now the third option is for the additional platforms. But here in this tutorial session, I will show you how you can set up the Claude with the Ollama provided free AI models. So we will install the Ollama and configure the Claude Code to work with the Ollama provided AI models. So here I will close this terminal. You can press Ctrl C to exit from this place. Now open the Chrome browser, open new tab, or just type download Ollama for Mac. Press enter and you will see some results. Here's the first one. Just click on it and you will see the official download page for the Ollama. And here we have a different commands for the different operating system. So by default, this is selected to macOS and we are going to copy with the help of this button. Just click on it to copy. And now go back to the terminal. You can open the fresh terminal and paste this command here. Now press enter. Soon the downloading process will begin and this will not take much time. If you have a good internet speed and the installation is begin. Okay. At this instance, this is asking your permission. So you have to type your Mac login password. So we are going to enter the Mac login password here. Once enter, once you type the password here, press enter button. and you will see starting Ollama message, installation complete. Now you can run the Ollama by simply typing the Ollama command. Also, you can check the installed Ollama application inside the applications folder. When you come inside the applications folder, you will find the Ollama icon here. Also, the notification is appearing here. Ollama can run in the background. Let's look for the Ollama. Here is the Ollama application icon. Let's run this one first. This is the small UI interface to interact with the AI models provided by Ollama. Also, to run the different AI IDs with Ollama. So we will understand in next step. Okay, now at this place, this is the AI chat box. So you want to interact with the different kinds of AI models. Some of them are the cloud based and some are the offline model. So before going to proceed, you have to download the models, right? Suppose I want to choose this cloud model. Now, once you choose, quickly you will get this sign in button. So here, before going to use, you have to sign in to the Ollama account. If you already have the Ollama account, simply sign in. Otherwise, you have to sign up the account. Also, we have a facility to log in with the Gmail ID. Here, in this example, I will show you with online model, but we are not going to download because this will take time. If you want to run the downloaded model, so please download it and then you can proceed. So I have chosen this cloud model. Let's click on the sign in button. Okay, this will navigate you to the sign in window. Here you have to give the email ID. Okay, if you have not signed up, please choose the button sign up and complete the process. Or you want to authenticate with the Gmail ID, you can proceed, and this kind of interface you will see. Click on this connect button, and after that you will see a message, device connected successfully. Now at this stage we are ready to interact with the AI model. Let's go back, and first I will close this UI interface of the Ollama. We will work from the terminal. Terminal is sufficient to work. Let's close the rest of the windows. Okay, now coming back to the terminal. If you go to the Ollama page, okay, if you click on the models, so here you can select the different models with different need. We have so many models. Now come back to the terminal. We will do the next step. Suppose I want to run any one of the model. So I will choose this model by clicking it. And here you will get the details about this model, the context size. The larger the context means the capability is high to handle your large prompt and capable of different kind of large task or brainstorming and project development. So this is the command which I have copied from the page. But as of now, I want to check how many models are default provided here by the Ollama if we are going to launch the Claude. So press enter, and now you can see the recommended, because we have system limitations. So we have GLM 5.2 cloud-based, Kimi 2.7 cloud-based, Minimax M3 cloud-based, Nemotron 3 super cloud-based, and the other two models which are offline models. So you need to download. You can see the message there. Just select any one and you can simply proceed. So we have seen that, as I told you, we are not going to work with the offline models right here because it will take time. The process will be same. And let's select the cloud model, Kimi K2.7 cloud. And I have just selected it. Okay, now we are inside the Claude interface. This is started, asking to choose your theme, dark theme, light theme, whatever is your favorite, choose the theme, press enter, and then you will see the next thing. This is security notes for us. Claude can make mistakes because this is AI, not every time it is accurate. So please review and then proceed for any task. Also, this is asking to use Claude terminal setup for optimal coding experience. Enable recommended setting for your terminal. Option plus enter for new lines. Click yes. Now moving to the next screen here, this is going to select the default folder which is present inside the users directory on your Mac. But I am not going to use this, so I will exit from this place and I will close this terminal, and then I will create a new workspace folder on my Mac for all type of development with the AI agents or AI models. Here we go. I am just creating a folder. Like Claude Workspace. Okay, open the fresh terminal, and now you have to move inside this terminal. You have to go to the path, simply type cd and drag and drop the folder, and you will get the path here. Now press enter to go inside this folder. Let's check, is anything inside this folder? Nothing. Now you can proceed to launch the Claude with Ollama. So the command is Ollama launch Claude, and now you will see the same options here. The model you want to open with the Claude, so just choose it and press enter to proceed with. You can see the message. These are the offline models, but we are focusing on the cloud models. Now on the next step, yes, I trust this folder because I have created, this is my workspace. Now Claude Code is loaded. You got a message, welcome back, and here the model which is loaded to work, and now the folder name is also mentioned here. Now the prompt is ready. Now we are ready to give a prompt. Let's see, is it working properly or not? So I will type a message, tell me the specification of my Mac, and press enter. Let's see what it returns. Okay, this is trying to fetch the information by running some bash commands sequences. So this is asking me to review. I'm okay, so I will press yes. Now again press yes. And for the next command, I have to press continuously yes. Okay, so we have multiple commands, and one by one it is executing and fetching the information about my Mac system. So here it has fetched all the information, and it gave me in a summarized way here the full specs of my computer. This is working properly. Let's create one more thing. Let's create a simple Java program to print hello cool IT help message on terminal. Going to create some directory for me like hello cool, and this file will go inside the one of the directory it has just created, and asking me like, you want to save this? Yes, I agreed on this, and the file is saved. Also it gave me the instruction how I will compile and run this file. Let's see the file is created or not. The folder is created properly here, and the file also created inside the folder, and this is properly working. And now you want to exit from this Claude Code interface. So you have to simply press Ctrl C and you will be exit. We have seen the process of installation of Claude Code, and we have integrated this with the Ollama provided AI models on Mac operating system. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to appreciate. And for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.